Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Capital A Trading. Welcome to another episode of Case Study. Again, I'm going to go through something that was spoken about on the Forex Weekly and then give you an update, show you how you could have maybe tackled the problem with me. So again, if you trade, if you take investments, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Stay up to date with the channel. My advice, keep an eye out for the Forex Weeklies out every Sunday. We're going to start with the pound USD. We're going to talk about that 136 to the 136,500 level. I'm going to show you how it's played out over the week and how you could have catched on to a profitable situation. So again, if that sounds good, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Make sure you stay up to date with the channel. Let's take a look at what was previously said on the pound USD.
To the downside. I think it's going to be ready to take off soon. This is the candle I believe they're respecting. So this is the area, this is the scenario that is playing off. And I just want to see, if I break down the time frame, I just want to see price come back up towards that 136, 200. Show me what you're doing with this candle, preferably around the session time. So like I just showed you with the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock to the 1 o'clock thing. If I see that happening at this level, I'll be happy to take a position at any point this week. So keep an eye on that one. That's going to be the pound USD. Okay, so this was the picture of how the week started on the pound USD. I spoke about that 136 to the 136,500 level. And as you can see, there was already some struggle from the previous week. As I start to move on, it was this level here that we wanted to see respected. And eventually we start to get a monstrous push to the downside, even making a new low. As I start to break down the scenario now, this is where I believe it's moved from on this 4-hour picture here for my students who know what scenario this is, with a market gap as well. And again, similar to the CAD Swiss franc trade that I mentioned recently, this has 3 taps on the area. It starts to show you where the market makers, the institutions, are plotting a position. This week, we've had price just come back into the area, start to show struggle again, round the session time, retesting the area, and then it powers to the downside for what is a nice 330 pip move. So again, make sure you catch out for the Forex Weekly on Sundays. There's where the opportunities are going to be spoken about. I'll be talking about how I'm going to combat them throughout the week. And then, of course, you can see within just a couple of weeks, some very, very profitable situations. That was the pound USD.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, another profitable situation, another great move just from following the video. The pound USD was struggling in that area and this week took off, causing a very profitable situation. Some of my students was able to catch on to that trade. So again, if you trade, if you take investments, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner, stay up to date with the channel, and if you want access to my Discord, send me an email at capitalatrading@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great trading week.